I have a serious problem with the R6. The problem is, every time I want to take this bike out of my house, oh, it broke. Point proven. Yeah, every time it does that. This is how to waste $1,000. Oops. As you guys can see, it was already scraping a ton. I guess that was the final straw. At least I got it on video. Oh, it's pain. You might be wondering how the heck that happened. You see, this bike was actually lowered from its stock height. Now, of course, I didn't do it, but somebody did it, and now I have to undo it. Now, I didn't mean to snap my fairings, but luckily I do have an extra set, so I'm gonna throw that on. Yeah, we got Mikomoto.
Is my mic connected?
I hope so. Right. Say hi.
Hello! On today's episode, we're going to show you how to drop a Yamaha R6.
Please don't. Should probably preface this by we don't know what the heck we're doing. Don't do that. I think I can go up now.
I'm still sitting on it, bro.
This is horrifying.
Wait! I'm too short for this.
No. Hold on. How high did it go?
It was probably like this much, but it's not my bike. I don't want to drop it.
You sure this is what we're supposed to do?
I don't know what you're doing.
Yo.
Hey, you think it's okay to put a car jack on my exhaust?
Just put a towel under it.
As long as we jack up the body and not the swing arm, the body will raise and the swing arm will stay. Because if we jack it up right now, there's literally nothing holding the bike. Damn, son. Look at the shit you're using.
Shh, it works.
That's fucking crazy.
No, it works. Hold on, I'm not holding the bike.
We're going up.
Wait, I'm not holding the bike. Yeah, go ahead, jack her up.
Oh, I'll jack her up, all right. Jack you up.
What?
Helmet creator, I'm sweating already. Can we get this done?
It's getting significantly darker. Oh my god.
Why did you do it like this? Hold on.
Oh.
Let me move before you fuck me up, because I know you're about to give all your strength into this. All right, go ahead. Good boy.
We should definitely shut the fuck up. We should definitely Loctite that back, I think. I texted him, I said, want to do some dumb stuff?
I was expecting like a fun dumb stuff, not a...
Next time, we'll have fun dumb stuff. How's my kickstand going to be impacted by this?
That's a you problem. I'll leave you the jack. Are you tightening it?
Shut up. wait, I gotta turn mine. Okay. Wait, no, now I'm tightening it.
A mallet is your best friend.
So what happens when those come out?
I don't know. You should have did your research, bro.
I'm horrified my bike's just gonna drop.
I am too. I didn't expect the whole thing to come flying off. How did the top one come off? I only did the bottom.
This is the aftermarket lowering one, and this is the OEM. So it should make a little bit of a difference. All right, it's getting really dark.
I have the cap.
Oh my God, there was air in it. It literally sprayed.
The Loctite squirted on the bike.
Did you see that? Is it off?
Yeah.
No shot.
It's because of how tall the bike sits now.
Oh my God, that's gonna be awesome.
You know, it doesn't look, maybe I'm just high because of how low it was before, but.
No, it's way high.
All right, you're on the ground.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Is this bitch gonna tip?
Ooh, it's kind of floating.
Put it back up.
Put it back up. Oh. Dude.
Almost just died. All right, put it straight.
I wanna
test it. Oh my God, that wire is fucking me up.
Dude, this is nice. Well, now I have to get a kickstand. Yeah, this little itty bitty thing ain't cutting it anymore. So if the brick wasn't there, this bike would probably just be on its side. But today, we're gonna fix that. A couple messages on Facebook Marketplace later, we now have a stock kickstand. So we're gonna see if we can change this out before it starts raining on us. Step one, we're going to pick the back of the bike up so we don't have to worry about it falling on us while we're switching out the kickstand. Now we gotta take the spring off the current kickstand. Then we gotta take our 12 and our 14. Oh, there it goes. And now we just slide the OEM one on. And now we take a quick break because I don't know where my blue Loctite is and I don't want this coming out. Got it. Just put a little drop of this blue Loctite in there. Let me just tighten her up. Only thing left to do now is test ride. Hey, cutie pie.
Did you get your bike out yet?
No, I need your help. Guys, I'm on the phone with Mikomoto.